point. In fact, Odisha has also left behind several of the other countries like Spain, Italy, UK, Peru, which have nearly the same population. Just to put things into perspective, we'll just give you a brief figure of how Odisha has managed to keep the coronavirus damage under control. In fact, the population of Odisha stands at 4.4 crore, and we're looking at several of the other countries with a similar population recording a high number of cases at this point, whereas Odisha, with a population of 4.4 crore, has recorded a total case of only 6,180, and the total deaths that have been reported is only 17 when compared to that of Spain, UK, Italy, Peru, or Colombia, which have all recorded an extremely high number of death rates at this point. So this clearly gives an indication of how Odisha has stacked up against the rest of the world in trying to minimize the number of cases and also restrict the number of deaths as well. While we talk about how Odisha has managed to do it, let's give you a quick comparison of how Odisha fares with the rest of the states in India and how it is leading by example. If we talk about the recovery rate at this point of Odisha, the Odisha's recovery rate now stands at 69.64%. And when we look at the other states at this point, Karnataka, which stands at 62.86, Tamil Nadu with 55.42, Maharashtra standing at 52.25, and Andhra Pradesh, which stands at 45.23%. So this indicates how Odisha is leading by example even when it comes to the recovery rate. As far as the death rate is concerned, again, Odisha has shown a remarkable improvement at this point, with recording the lowest number of death rate as compared to the other states at this point, which includes Maharashtra, whose death rate stands at 4.65%, Uttar Pradesh at 3.01%, Karnataka at 1.64%, Tamil Nadu, which is also on a state which is worst affected, standing at 1.28%, and Andhra Pradesh at 1.27%. However, Odisha, they're recording a death rate of only 0.39%.